Hello all, I'm here to show you on how this design was made and from the beginning and to the implementation of this design. Thank you for watching. Now you can see the name of the road is Fish Farm, and this is what happened at Fish Farm. We have our bell mount. Used the interval from this radius is 17.30 and at the arc, and the radius is 10 meter. Here the interval of this arc is 16.94, while the radius itself I use 12 meter here. This is the main road. This is the main road that link to the highway, and this is the center line for the main road itself. It ends at unit 100, that's 0 plus 100, that's the limit, the extent we took, and this is our 0 0 here. Now this road B, we have 0 plus 450, and this is where we are. This is where our 0 0 starts. Now for the center line interval we use 12.5, and also for the offset is 3 meter from the center line. Then the interval, the measure point between the offset is 12.5 as well. But when I come here, that's around the arc side. I try to make a simple measurement so to make the shape of the curve come out clearly. I try to use 12 to 2.5 meter interval from each. That's the distance. Around 2.5 meter interval. Here we have the second road, that's road B. This road B, at the entrance on the left hand side I use 12 meter radius, then the interval between the arc is 13.77. Then here I use 5 meter interval in the 5 meter radius, then the interval of the arc is 9.97 meter. All this with magenta color, they are fence away from the road itself, from the design. This white point here is our limit. This one now, this is our limit. We can't pass here because of the land marks over there. This is another limit here. So if you like, we may join this from here to here to make our limit complete. So all these is our extent. We can't pass this. This is just like a fence. So, and the interval between here now, the interval we have on this now to here, we have almost like 2.6 meter away from the fence. So definitely if you have 1 meter drain, for instance, there's still chance we still have like some chance a little. We have 2.65. So now if you have 1 meter drain, definitely we are left with 1.6 meter away from the, that's the limit, away from the fence. So here is the fence of an hotel, and the interval on the road we have 6.45 meter away from the edge of asphalt. So if we have 1 meter drain around this side, we have 5.45 meter left, so of which this should be okay for parking space, because what they want is a parking space around this area. Now this is a building, this is a fence on its own. This is a fence away from the road. You can see all these one having blue star are electrical poles, so they are far away from the road, and the distance also supposed to be far, measure from your center line or anywhere you can catch up to the electrical pole. You see that you have close to 8 meter plus away from the road. And if you can watch this scenario very well, all these places are far away from the road, except all these places, this fence that's close to the road. We measure here now to determine the distance on the road itself today. We have 4 meter to the road. So like here now, if you have 1 meter drain, you still have 3 meter left. Here is more closer to the road than here, so no need of you can still measure it to get the distance as well. If you have something of here, you have 3.5, almost 3.5 meter. So even if you have drain of 1 meter, you still have 2.5 left. Let's check this shrink area, very close to the edge of asphalt. You take this like this, you have almost 1.6 or 1.7 meter, 1.7. So 1.7 now, if you remove drain of 1 meter, you have 70 cm left away from the fence, 70 cm away from the fence. So this is the limit of the road. All these with magenta colors, they are fence. All these are fence, and this with blue color is building, with white color is our limit, the limit of which, the land limit of which we can't extend more than this. So here is the center line for the main road highway.